Hey, hi everyone, this is Vidya here. So, are you all done with the test cases? Yes? Let me just open up the SRS. Okay, so here it is. Urmila, is this your first session? Okay, for Manju also this is the first session. No, actually this is not an intro session. We are in the middle of the things. Okay, so in the last session, since you people were not there, so I just told the rest of them. I have given the SRS, that is the system requirement specification, and the assignment was given to complete the test cases onto that. Okay. I don't know, but this is not an intro session. How you get it for the intro? I don't know. I'm sorry for that. Okay. Yeah, Omila, you just attended the demo session. I mean, okay. Yesterday, did you attended it? Then? Okay, I can see some more over here like Anu Sood and Rukma. These people are also Rukma and Anu Sood. You're also attending the batch for the first time. Is it so? And Shweta. Yes, Anu. I have put everybody on mute. Okay, so do you want to have a conversation with me? Then I can unmute you. The reason is, yeah, I would just unmute you. See, the reason is very simple. There are some many background noises which are going on. So just to avoid all those things. Okay, let me unmute you, Anu. Hey, Anu.
Yeah, hi ma'am. Actually, I got a link in my email that this is a demo session for QA.
No, we had the demo session yesterday. This is not the
But I got the link, I think 2 or 3 hours before.
um, no, Anu, this is not the demo session though.
But the link says it is a demo session.
Okay, okay. Listen to me. What you can do is, you can attend the session. There is no foundation. I won't say to leave the session. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you can attend the session, but today we would be discussing the test cases that I have already given.
Okay.
So we will be discussing on to that. So you can attend. I don't have any problem in that. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, let me get back to you people in a minute. Okay, just hold on for a minute. Okay, sorry for that. Just had an important call. Okay, so for Urmila, Deepak, and Anu, like whosoever are new over here in the batch, see, we are actually um, doing the continuation of the batch. Okay, some intro sessions are completed for the batch up till now. So in the last session, the students who were already present over here, I have given the SRS to them and they were asked to write down the test cases. So for today in this batch, we would be discussing the test cases. Okay, what all they have written. So I would be reviewing the test cases. So you can stay in the batch and can see that how it goes. Okay, so I don't have any problem in that. Okay. Okay, so for those to whom I have given the SRS in the last session and the test case template, were you able to do that, the test cases? Okay, and if so, can we like review some of the test cases if you want me to review for it you? Okay, so we can review some other test cases. So who would like to start with the things? Tasneem, you want to start the things? Okay, so So can you mail me your test cases so I can open it over here and can review it? And others also who want me to review the test cases, just mail it to me. Yes, Kumar, I got your test cases, but I told you earlier also that we would be reviewing it over here in the batch only, okay? So let me just open your test cases. By the time others, you can also mail me the test cases. You know my mail ID, that is vidya.bagyatek@gmail.com, okay? Okay. So these are your test cases. Yes, Kumar. Um, Manju, yes, you would be able to do it because we would be providing you with the recorded links. Okay, the sessions that are already completed, we have recorded those sessions. Okay, and have shared the links with the people who are already in the batch. Okay, so in the case that if they want to revise some of the things, so if you are also like if you are a new admission in the batch, so we can provide you with the recorded links, and also we would be taking some cover up sessions also. Okay. So about the cover up sessions and the recorded links, you need to talk to Raghu. He is the person who is managing all these stuff. Okay. Kathy, my mail ID is vidya.bagyatek@gmail.com. Like we have covered some six sessions, I guess. Okay, so Shweta, what are you asking for? Like I could not understand. You wanted to send it now? Yes, the test cases, the persons who have written it. Okay, since you were not present in the batch, so you must have not written it. Okay, so you can send it to me for this batch. Just like for this session, just listen to the things, so you would be able to match up with the things that what we are trying to do over here. Okay. Manju, total 45 days. The course duration you're asking about? Yes, that is between 1.5 to 2 months, and we are not having regular batches like every day. We are having on 3 days a week. Okay, so let us start with Kumar's test case, which is over here. Kumar, only 3 test cases you have written. What about the others? And also, why that ID has started with TC_03? Why not with 01? What happened to 1 and 2? Yes, Kumar. let me unmute you so that you can answer to the things. Yeah, I would just unmute you. Tasneem, yes, I have got your mail, but let me first finish up with Kumar's test cases, okay, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, see, the people who are new to the batch, you are like, that is pretty obvious that you want to know each and everything. So, can we make it like, for now, you people can just listen to the batch, okay, whatever I'm saying, okay, and then after that, like, after I have done the review of the test cases for these people, then you can be there, okay, while the others can drop off. So you new people can be there and then I can answer your questions. So isn't that a good idea? Okay, because anyways you are going to be here for this batch, okay, and the people who are waiting already, who have done their course up till this point, I don't want them to mess up with the things. So those people, they can log off after the class and you people can remain and can answer your questions. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay, Kumar, let me unmute you. Okay. Yeah, Kumar.
Actually, I'm sorry I did only 3 because for my personal reasons, I was only back home around 2 o'clock. So,
No, that is not a problem.
and then I had to go back at 6.
No, that is not a problem. But I want to.
No, it's my problem. I should have done more. But, and 1 and 2 I didn't do because I thought that since you had done that login, that was test case 1 and 2, so that's why I started by 3. But because when you
but that was in my sheet, right? You must have started with the number 1, right? The number.
Oh yes, that is true. I should have done that. But I thought probably 1 or 2 I left. Here,
Okay.
Here one thing and I also in the email I wrote it down. One thing I couldn't figure out what to do. Where it says input data and test data, I don't know what should I put over there. So that's why I have left that column empty.
Okay, let me just see to the things. Okay, I will mute you and we'll see to the things, and side by side I will also give my comments on to the things. Okay, so firstly it should be like, since this is the first test case for you, okay, so the number should be proper to test the functionality of the personal details fields. Sorry, personal detail fields? What are the personal detail fields? Personal details itself is a module in itself, right? It's a complete module, or you can say it's a page. Okay, so to test the functionality of personal detail fields. No, this word is not proper, Kumar. It should be like what are you actually testing in this? Let me read to the test case. So your precondition is the user should be logged in as the ESS user. Okay, the ESS user should be able to enter the first name. Okay. Okay. So you are actually checking that whether the person who is entering into the application, okay, if a ESS user is entering into the application, then is he able to enter the first name, or like he's entered to like he is able to enter anything into the fields or not, right? This is what you're trying to check in this test case, if I've got it correctly. Yes. Okay. So now for that, what you will have to write is, you are not checking the functionality of the personal detail fields. Okay, this is not the functionality first of all of this personal detail fields, and if you are writing it in this way, then you will have to write it down in more precise format, like you are checking only for the first name over here, right? So it should be like to test the functionality of the personal detail first name field, but this is also a very incorrect manner to write it. So what we are actually checking is whether a person is able to write anything into the first name text box. So we are checking that whether that first name text box is enabled or it is in the editable format or not. Okay, whether we are able to type or write anything, we are able to edit anything onto that or not. Okay, so this is our expectation and this is what we want to test in this particular test case. So the thing would be to test the editability. Editability of the